I think it's a kick-ass idea. I think we couldn't have asked for more. For a film like Hukumaton Ki Jhand Hogi, Balaji and MTV collaborating, and Balaji collaborating, it's a great concept. I think it's very youth connected, and all the youth, all the people are gonna connect to it because here we are not doing Jhand with very normal people. These are established celebrities. They are very young and very fresh and have a lot of curiosity among all the young people, all the people around India. So when you see them in their real emotions, that is what you can connect to. People always want to know what they are like behind the camera, and in this show you're going to see all of that and more, and you're going to see bakras happening, junds happening, people getting pranked and punked. It's going to be amazing.
You know, sometimes pranks turns ugly as well. I mean, it's not always interesting as such. What comment you have to make on that? It's not
You know, I think pranks, the whole beauty of the prank is the uncertainty of it because you don't know what's going to happen. It might go right, it might go wrong. And I think that in itself is the fun part. Sometimes they turn ugly, yes, but I think you should just be in the moment and just look at the bright side of it because no matter how bad a prank goes, it can't really go like that bad, you know. So
Because at the end of the day, it's a prank.
it's a prank, it's
So
for
it's
fun.
all planned, you know.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, it's a prank. It can't go wrong. It's all planned. Even there are times where on our show when we were hosting also things went really wrong, but still at the end of the day it was Jhand going wrong. So it was Jhand. So it can't be that harmful.
Do you think the prankster kind of people are always shared a limelight as such? Are in the limelight?
You know, prank. You know, I mean, see, I am a very simple, sweet girl. I do not
Yeah,
play
we
pranks
believe
at
that.
all.
Yeah, believe that.
But I am the main target for being played prank on. Like throughout the shoot of Hukumaton Ki Jhand Ho Gayi, both Siddharth and Ashish have targeted me so much for playing a prank. हर रोज मुझे लगता था कि आज क्या होगा मेरे साथ. I need to be careful, and even after being careful, कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता था. So yeah, so these guys are
See,
a
I
pro
will
at
tell you
playing
what.
pranks.
She in real life is a total Jhandu. Like I say, legally blonde. She literally knows nothing. The first day she came on the shoot, she was like, "Hi, I'm Simran Kaur Mandi." I was like, "Simran Kaur Mandi? Where does the accent come from?" She's like, "Yeah, I got that accent." I'm like, "Are you from? Have you studied abroad?" She's like, "No, I'm born brought up in Bombay." I was like, "Born brought up in
not
Bombay?
true.
Where did?" So and then she didn't know what Jhand means. She's like, "Jhand क्या होते हैं?" I'm like,
I did not
wow,
say jhand क्या होते हैं.
जहंड एक डिश होते हैं जो हम खाते हैं, आपको भी खिलाते हैं.
I don't like this guy.
No, but seriously, she was so much like she was in some other zone only. But now अब हम इसे लाइन पे ला चुके हैं बहुत अच्छे से.
अच्छा,
Now
अच्छा.
she's all good.
See, मुझे सुधार दिया इन लोगों ने.
हमने
I mean,
इतनी
इनके
झंड
बिना
करी
मेरा क्या
इसकी.
होता?
अब तुझे झंड का मतलब सब पता है ना अच्छे से.
See, मुझे सीरियसली झंड का मतलब नहीं पता था. I thought झंड is a bad word starting में. But then इन्होंने मुझे बड़े अच्छे से explain कर दिया. तो अब तो मुझे पता
हमने
है.
एक प्रैक्टिकल दिया है इन्हें हर जगह
You
झंड.
know, the last question is common question is that you know the film is being produced by Balaji Motion Picture and Vijay Nambiar. But do you find yourself fortunate? Both of you find fortunate to become part of the movie as such, and that is also a debut movie.
I think I'm very lucky. That's what I feel. Uh, I feel very safe. I felt very safe when I got to know that it's Bijoy Nambiar and Ekta Kapoor producing this film, co-producing this film. And since they have taken up the project, that there has to be something in the film. They wouldn't do it otherwise. Because Balaji has a brand value and Bijoy Nambiar also has his name value and brand value. So we felt really fortunate to be getting launched through a film which they are co-producing. I couldn't have asked for more. And more than that, it's a brilliant film. It has a brilliant script and a brilliant director. So I somehow feel very blessed.
But what will really it make the viewers to come to the theatre as such? I mean,
Yeah.
what was the reason?
I think the main reason is the curiosity because everybody who's been seeing the promos, the songs, the everything that's whatever material is out in the market right now, everybody is asking the same question: what is the film about? It's looking very interesting. Like what is it there to offer? So everyone has a lot of curiosity, and I think if you have curiosity, you want your answers. That is, I think, what will bring the audiences to the theaters to watch the film. And I think that, and I don't think anybody is going to be disappointed because the film is very real. It's not trying too hard. It's not forced. It's not those slapstick comedies. It's a very real film, a very relatable film. Things that happen to everybody in the day-to-day life is what is happening to Hukumaton in the film. So you would actually be like, अरे यार मैं भी उस situation में था. अरे यार ये मेरे साथ ही हुआ.
I
या अरे यार
second
ऐसा
that.
होता है. And the best thing about the film is the flavor of Delhi. Like you will see the heart of Delhi and
The real Delhi.
the real Delhi. And I saw real Delhi while shooting the film. So for me, it was. I think everybody's gonna love the film.
Thanks a lot.
Hey,